So what is PM05? Okay, so PM05. It's very simple. Basically, if you see, I will directly show you in config. Okay, this inclusive notification means what happens in that order, the notification number directly will create in the background. Inclusive notification. So basically what happens, if we don't want to create a notification differently, or we want notification in initial screen, the system, we need to create the work order with PM05. Okay, so basically it's what I can say, it configured the notification in the background. Notification will be automatically updated in the background. Okay, so let me show you one scenario for PM05. /IW31. So basically, I will do one thing. I will just create PM01 and I will show you first difference. Okay. Okay. Here you think any notification is blank, right?
Yes.
Okay. PM01 notification blank. I will not save this. /IW31. Just see for PM02. Okay. So /IW31 PM02 medium equipment. I will enter. See anything here?
No.
Notification blank, right? You understand?
Yes, I understand.
IW31. Okay, I will do PM03 equipment. See blank, right? But if I try for PM05 /IW31, I will update here PM05. You will see the difference. Okay, just enter. See, notification has been updated in the background. Okay.
This is used for the what type of work?
Yeah, correct. Basically, what happens? Your maintenance person has performing any activity. Okay, and they need to add some catalog profile simultaneously. Means some object part, damage code, task, activity, they need to update. Then they will create PM05. So the notification will get automatically updated.
Okay.
Basically, it's for directly creation. You, if you want to update, means what I can say, I will just open. Just hold on. I will show you how this will. Just I will test for. Okay. You need to add here activity item. I think in last one we have updated some activities, item, task. You need to add simultaneously. Then you can create with PM05. Nothing else. Means what happens if any breakdown, you can mention any breakdown is there, and you need to add some catalog profile, or you need to add some text with relation to that activity. Then you can just go create PM05. You can add some code groups. What is damage? Diesel pump is damaged. Then what cause is there? Like this, you can add activities. So there is a vibration. What is task you need to do? You need to replace the casing like this. And once this activity done, you will close the main work order. So simply, this notification is linked to the work order directly. It's very easy. Means like yeah, permit is missing. Okay, and rest of the process are same. Okay, let me go. Task outstanding activity. Okay, I will save and I can close the activity. Okay, center. System or it is active QNF. Okay. Okay, outstanding task exists. Okay. Session IW32. Okay, it has completed everything. So basically, if the maintenance person needs to be create the notification in the background with work order, they can directly create with PM05. And where this config is available, I will show you. The customization setting for PM05 means how this notification got created. So this is the part of SP. Okay, plant maintenance, customer service, maintenance service processing, maintenance service. Okay, maintenance service orders, function and setting for order type, and configuration of function setting order type, and define notification. There will be notification and order integration. Yes. Yes. Here I will go back. I think someone has no, decided. Okay. Okay. So here see PM05 with PM2. So this this config has allowed
Okay.
create the notification, and here they have mentioned breakdown notification. Okay, I don't want the background breakdown notification. I want just a repair notification. So I will just maintenance request. I will save this. You will see the difference. I will go back from here. Session IW20. Okay. So let me go. You will see M1 M1 notification. So it's maintenance request. Okay, not a breakdown. So your person want.
Notification for maintenance request.
Yeah. So here in config, I will show you again the config. We will keep standard to config as it is. Plant maintenance customer service, maintenance service processing, maintenance service order, function and setting for order type, define notification, order integration. Okay. So just save it. That's it.